is being ruled, whether you like it or not, and governed by unbelievers. Because they dare to invent things, start up things, and thereby control the world. The world of technology, the media, politics, whether you like it or not, they take daring steps and they control. Call it Facebook, call it Instagram, call it YouTube, call it Twitter. The owners do not speak in tongues, but believers line up under them and are subject to their dictates. The only thing you can do as a person or as a believer is not to keep talking or keep arguing. It's for you to put your finance together, put yourself together, and believers should start their own movement. On this platform, I want to announce we just started our own app. It's called Hostgram.
Hello guys, so now welcome back to this YouTube channel. Now I don't already know as they go here, as they hot with immediate electricity. Me and Uromi Pikin, and they can't drop on for now. Now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depend on your time, your location when they watch me. For my people, not be smart, you know. The reason why I bring this video can show my viewers, my subscribers, my followers, and because of some of my brothers and sisters, most especially for Nigeria, most especially for my country, where I from Nigeria, they believe to they pray 24 hours of the day, my people. It good to they pray. I not be pagan, you understand? I not be Muslim, I be Christian, you understand? It good to they pray, but if you they pray, you will see you see the work hard for yourself, you understand? Sorry guys, you see the work hard for yourself. Not be say you just they pray every morning to evening 24 hours. Araba, rigbo, devil die. Today you must die. Tomorrow you must. No, this is crazy, guys. You understand? Even Jesus himself was a carpenter, guys. This is our popular apostle for Nigeria and known as Apostle John Suleiman. As me and they talk so, he don't launch in your app. You understand? The name of this app now Hostgram. And for those of now when we say, even you say they go to church or you know they go, this one I way forward for this year 2022. Now waiting and they want the I love technologies. You understand? I love technologies. Make una go download this app. You understand? An app when we say man. Last when I go enjoy. In come out now they let in your church now your church members in they talk to them, they address them and say they not say make you not pray. It can't they let in members they know and say people when they rule the world today. And of which now read, he said there be unbelievers. People when be say me that the owner of Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, just name them. My people believe me, they're not they go church. They're not even they pray. That one not me say they don't know God. To know God or to say not be to come out, they shout, they disturb. You see some Nigerian Christians now they'll day for bus stop. They like notice me. They like notice me. That time you can't see Oyibo they look them. No. That is not how to pray. I believe in spirit prayer. You understand? If real Christian, they're not they use prayer until they disturb people. That one are Chris now. You see, Apostle Joseph Suleiman, this to them are just 4th of January 2022. He launched this Hostgram crossover here. You understand? If they learn they know now say pray, not be saying you know advice you may not pray, but make you they look for way forward. You understand? Who they hungry not go fit pray. Well, guys, may not be like I say I too waste on that. I go leave una with this very video. Make una dey watch am. You understand why I go see una for the ending of this video.
Is being ruled, whether you like it or not, and governed by unbelievers. Because they dare to invent things, start up things, and thereby control the world. The world of technology, the media, politics, whether you like it or not, they take daring steps and they control. Call it Facebook, call it Instagram, call it YouTube, call it Twitter. The owners do not speak in tongues, but believers line up under them and are subject to their dictates. The only thing you can do as a person or as a believer is not to keep talking or keep arguing. It's for you to put your finance together, put yourself together, and believers should start their own movement. On this platform, I want to announce we just started our own app. It's called Hostgram, and it's the same capacity.
So guys, I also now don't watch that full video. I also now pick something from the message from this very video, because I dey like when Nigeria pastors they drop Bible they talk. Most of them when they drop Bible they talk, the message when they come from their mouth as in a words of wisdom. This very video when I do so now concerning Apostle John C. Suleiman. This video I just dedicate to Apostle John C. Suleiman. The man talk way for this. Now three videos now carry come anyway. The three videos I found out to be meaningful. You understand? The videos as it make a lot of senses to me. You understand? Not be everybody they watch video they feel grab something, but I watch this man video. I grab something from it. You understand? Like the one when I first show now just now, the man can let us know say the leaders of today won't be saying that they rule the world. People won't be like saying they on top the world and they rule the world. The richest man today in Africa, known as Aliko Dangote, that man know they pray. You understand? You know they pray, you know they pay tithe. You know they pay tithe for church, no me say man, God not go recognize. There are different ways of which you pay tithe, of which you guys don't know. You know, say Nigeria Christian, they believe on notice me. You see people want go pay offering, they don't want make their pastor or their mommy Gio make them see the money when they want to go pay offering. Some people want give tithe, they don't want make them see, maybe make pastor see what they want to go sow seed or pay tithe. When I forget, say God, say what you want use right hand, give, not let your left hand know, and who gets sense is supposed know the meaning of that parable. You understand? This man I can't let us know say people when they rule the world, top people when be say man, they know they know they pray, they know they pay tithe, they know they pay offering, they know if but there are ways when be say man they take they pay offering. You understand? So make una open I make una share una. This one are new here. You understand? So guys, this other video see they come from Apostle John C. Suleiman, of which I go let watch this video with you now. Why we go come talk concerning this very video.
How can a grown-up girl, you can't make hair, you can't do makeup, you can't bake, no skill. You are looking forward to marry to become a liability. In this generation, where even men have become stylists. There are some young men, when they make your hair, some ladies prefer them than fellow ladies. They take their time. You are saying yes, sir. You are saying yes, sir. You are saying yes, sir. That you a woman, you walk into a man, it's a man that's fixing your hair. You don't know nothing. There should be some level of styles that you need them for. Even to retouch hair, you can't. To retouch your hair, you burnt it because you know nothing. All you are doing is taking picture. That's what you know how to do. Photographer. Your skill is your second address. Where your certificate fail, your skill start from there. Any lady in this church that can't bake, can't make hair, you don't know makeup. What does it take you to learn it? For what? Is it me that will not go and wear uniform of a tailor? Who are you?
You young ladies, I also now don't hear from our popular Apostle John C. Suleiman. Who are you? He don't ask una. And waiting this man talks so now 100% real. Now made me carry the. I need to watch this full video, my people. This man make a lot of senses in this video. Waiting this man come talk to Apostle John C. Suleiman, he's 100% correct. Many girls these days, they not get handwork, school they not go, nothing when they know, they want just be liability. That's why many of them they fall victim for all those small Yahoo boys. Today, when they use them, they shine. You understand? Human be for this life, most especially for girls. Men not to get problem. There are a lot of ways when we say men till they survive. Most especially for young girls. You understand? You not go school, you go learn handwork. No, they don't want to learn work. You get one video when they shut down the social media side. Now worry this one for take place, my people. If you not see Olosho, when I mean Olosho, Opomileki, if you not see fine girls. All these one are girls when we say man, their papa and their mama. They settle down. If that is they use full day to dedicate them to God. If una see Olosho for junction, my people, where they for the hustle, they pass 1 million. When I mean Olosho, for those of una wey no understand that language, Okpomiliki, at least as I say talk and answer Okpomiliki, and una suppose to understand Okpomiliki. If una see fine, get the touch finish, they get height, everything there with them. Just tell me now, wetin they find they go. Just tell me now, the family when they want please with those money. You as a young lady, you they go they stand for junction, they do Olosho, they do Okpomiliki. Who you want go give this money? What about tomorrow? May God forbid, but one of two things can happen to your enemy life. You can't contact disease from there. Ritualists can't come, they can't carry you. Your family not go there for you. For God's sake, make una shine una. And your family that time, they not go there for you. You get where they go carry you rich, They go dump you for there. You go there, you they suffer. You not go even see go carry, can't give you water, drink, or carry you go toilet, go bath you. Make una use una brain, una IQ. Not be women they marry men put for house. Now men they fine, good men be say men woman get 1 or 2 things. When she they do good men woman they get money for account for Azar. Not be to the extent you go they sell your body, you go stand for junction. I don't understand. After the vitamin C don't come out, they don't remove all the good water. Una go carry the water maybe say men they don't expire. Una go carry give una husband for house, make it they suffer for them. Likewise, some women for Europe today, they'll say that they look for 3 hours men, 5 hours men. And for there, nothing they again. 0 over 100. 0 over 100, they don't vandalize everything finish. You understand? So guys, may not be like say I to take una time, to waste una time. Make I leave una with this very video. Make una watch. And meanwhile, my name is Remain Urom. In case today na the first time when they come across this YouTube channel, it's just that they post the past year. My name Remain Urom. Please kindly share out this video. Subscribe for more updates. Don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that anytime be like say me, I take drop any new update, you could be among the first person when go receive the notification. Don't forget to drop your comment because your comment is very, very important. Because me and they always read your comments. And they always read do not comment here, you understand now. Because through your comment, I go tell no what will be your opinion regarding this very video. So guys, I go see you now for the next update coming up soon. Respect, one love, guys.
How can a grown-up girl, you can't make hair, you can't do makeup, you can't bake, no skill. You are looking forward to marriage to become a liability. In this generation, where even men have become stylists. There are some young men, when they make your hair, some ladies prefer them than fellow ladies. They take their time. You are saying yes, sir. You are saying yes, sir. You are saying yes, sir. That you a woman, you walk into a man, it's a man that's fixing your hair. You don't know nothing. There should be some level of styles that you need them for. Even to retouch hair, you can't. To retouch your hair, you burnt it because you know nothing. All you are doing is taking picture. That's what you know how to do. Photographer. Your skill is your second address. Where your certificate fail, your skill start from there. Any lady in this church that can't bake, can't make hair, you don't know makeup. What does it take you to learn it? For what? Is it me that will not go and wear uniform of a tailor? Who are you? With all due respect, who are you? Is it me that will not go and wear uniform of a tailor? Is it me that is suffering now? This is your joblessness. Is it me that is suffering it? Around the world, I've got people here from different parts of the world. I've traveled around the nations of the world, and I can tell you that people make more money from skill than certificate. It's skill. Grown up man, you are 40, you can't drive. You can't drive, and you are 40. You can't drive. You are not useless in Jesus' name. The skillful are self-selected. Any man that is skillful has selected himself in the realm of the lifted. Skill is not just a hobby. Skill is what you have learned and mastered.